So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really exciting video for you. I'm going to be doing a skincare routine and telling you how I cleared, well, like mostly cleared, because obviously it's not, my skin is like not completely clear, but it's a lot better. How I cleared my acne, because I had really bad spots and acne, and I'm just going to be showing you my daily routine of skincare that I do and the products I use and products like masks that really helped. So before we get started, hit the subscribe button down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, genuinely, if you do like me so far, then just do subscribe. It's free, and I really want to get to 20k by my birthday, which is the 9th of August, because it would mean like literally the world to me. And follow my Instagram smakeup_, and follow my Twitter, because I'm on Twitter so much. It's summerxo16. So yeah, let's just jump. What's helped a lot is I haven't been wearing as much makeup, but anyway, let's get started. Stop. So basically at night time, if I'm like wearing makeup, mostly I am, just like a little bit of concealer or foundation, I don't use makeup wipes or micellar water anymore. I use my Botanical Enzyme Cleansing Gel. So basically what I do is I wash my face with warm water, and then I put some of this on each like cheek and on my forehead, and then rub it all in like for a good 30 seconds, like proper rubbing it in. And then I get the warm water and I wash it off, and then if I feel like there's still, like, just to make sure I do it another time, like just to make sure all the makeup's off so I don't like sleep in some makeup, because I want to have clean skin. And I feel like with wipes you can a lot of the time miss places, and also you don't rub it as hard, and the same with micellar water from like a cotton pad. But because you're like washing it, and like if I double check it, this, oh my god, it's amazing. It smells nice, and there's most of these products, oh yeah, most of them are Botanical. Most of them are Botanical. You can get them from their website, and you can get them from Beauty Bay online, which is like free shipping to the UK if you spend over £15, don't get customs. And obviously if you're in America, buy it from the Botanical store. And also they sell it in store in Urban Outfitters if you're from the UK, or even the US as well, I think. Do US have Urban Outfitters? Yeah, they do, don't they? Yeah. But yeah, basically it has like a lot of like good products, like Aqua, everything has Aqua. It's basically water. Fruit extract, citrus grandis, grapefruit, fruit extract, what else have they got? Just got tons of things that are good in it, really. Carica papaya extract, whatever it's called, yeah. And it lasts for 2 years, 24 months, so that is amazing. And I just love it. I love it. Okay, and then after that, I don't exfoliate every single night. I exfoliate my skin 2 to 3 times a week, because you're not meant to exfoliate every day, I don't think. But when I do, I use the Botanical Exfoliating Scrub. Oh my god, do I love this so much. Oh my god, I just love it way too much. I love it so much. Okay, so basically I'm going to show you a little bit now. It has like these, it's just clear, and it has these little like beads in it. And then basically if you put it on the back of your hand, I obviously wet my face first, and then you can proper feel it like scratching your skin. It's not scratching, but like, does it make sense? Yeah, it's just, you can see it proper working. It's like a lip scrub for your face. And exfoliator, it just gets rid of all that like dead skin, like the dead skin, is that what it does? Yeah, dead skin cells, dead skin cells. Honestly, this makes my skin radiant. Does it say that? Yeah, radiant, it does. It makes it smooth, makes it radiant, it makes me want to like touch it all over. I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, I wet my face first, then same, I rub it all in my skin for around like 30 seconds, probably sometimes more, because I get a little bit into it. And then yeah, I do that at night times, like either 2 or 3 times a week, probably 3 times a week, because I love it so much. But yeah, I love this. And then after that, oh god, this is my Botanical. I can't help it, I love my Botanical. This is the Botanical Herbal Hydrating Serum. Now, this is a bit like a moisturiser. If you don't know what a hydrating serum is, it's basically like a moisturiser, but it's more like a non-creamy version, and it's not as heavy, like a heavy kind of moisture, really. This gives skin a dewy, healthy glow, and it's basically lightweight, and it says wear in place of moisturiser and apply a thin layer over. Yeah, and it just makes my skin feel so glowy. Basically, it's like a blue thing, and it comes out, it looks a bit like you would use in a doctor's surgery, I don't know. It comes out like that, and then you just put it on. Oh my god, it's made my hair feel so smooth, and that's what it does to your face. And yeah, by the way, these products is what in order of what I do them in. So yeah, after that I do that, and it just makes my skin feel like so nice and like good. It smells so nice as well. And then after that we use the cult fave, the Botanical rose water and I know herbs and rose water spray. Oh my god, does everyone knows what this is? It's £7. I mean, look, you can see it for itself. I look glowy. I wear this on top of makeup, like when I have makeup on. The only thing it runs out very quickly if you like using it. The amount of I like using it. Oh god, it's so good. I love it so much. It's so nice. Yeah, that I definitely recommend. You can get the bigger bottle for like £11, but yeah, I drench my face in this, and then because I like want it to dry quickly, I go in front of my fan, and if you get, I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, next after that, I actually use this. So this, oh my god, this is what like Kylie Jenner uses. That's where I heard it from. That's why I got it. I've been using this for around a year and a half now. It's the Botanical drying lotion. You've all heard of this, and if you haven't, where you've been? Have you been under a rock? Have you been under a skincare rock? Oh god, I'm so cringe. I don't even know what I'm doing. But yeah, I actually, this is probably about my 7th bottle. That's an over exaggeration. Probably my 5th bottle. It lasts for ages unless you have loads of spots like me. Then it doesn't last as long. But yeah, this is the 50th anniversary one actually, because I actually got sent this in PR. By the way, that's not why I'm actually talking about loads of these Botanical products, because if you know me, before Botanical even sent me PR, I used to use this all the time and this all the time before they even sent me PR. And yeah, I just love their products, so I just thought I'd say that. But yeah, basically what you do with this is you can get a little mini like makeup brush, make sure it's clean obviously, or like an earbud, and then you dip it in and don't ever shake because it ruins it. And the solution at the bottom basically is the drying lotion, obviously. And then you dab it on your spots, and then I put it on every single night. Do not put it on in the morning. Do not put it on during the middle of the day, because you're going to have to sleep in it, and then when you wake up in the morning, usually lots of it has dried up and gone, like the actual lotion's gone, but some of it will still be left over, so you got to like wash it off obviously, like yeah, just with like flannel or I don't know, like just water basically. And yeah, I love this so much, and it's got rid of mine like some certain spots like straight away. But it does usually, for me, not get rid of them like completely, but it does make them less visible and just, I don't know, just less red and stuff. Because I don't know if you can see, but a lot of my spots are grouped together, so I can't really like go through individually dotting them. So what I do is I dip like a little brush and I just go all out, smothering it all over my face. And yeah, it's definitely helped my skin so much. And so now I've got 3 of my like current favourite face masks. We might as well just get the Botanical one out of the way, then I've got some other brands to show you, I promise. Yes, basically, the first one is the Botanical Rose Hips Mask. Blimmin' heck, is this amazing. Oh my god, oh. It looks like I've used none of it, but trust me, it's just all come out of the thing. So I've used this about 4 times. I've used it for about 2 weeks now, and I've used it like twice a week roughly, and it's just like this white thing, and it doesn't smell the best, I'm not gonna lie to you, but I mean, oh yeah, it smells it smells horrible basically, but when you're gonna get good skin, who cares what you're gonna be smelling under your nose. This is amazing, just so good. This makes my skin feel like it's rejuvenate. I can't say this word. Rejuvenated. I did it! I said rejuvenate. Stop. Yeah. You know what? Rejuvenate. That's what I'm gonna say. It makes my skin feel so much like healthier and glowy. And it just, I don't know. There's something about Botanical that you just need their products in your life. Like, I love skincare so much. Like, I think I love skincare more than makeup at the moment. That's a bold statement to make, and I do. I love it so much. But yeah, my next 2 face masks on Meredescu. Can we believe it? You know what? Meredescu's come up with makeup. Hit me up, Meredescu. I need to stop. This next mask I'm going to be showing you is the Tear for Teens New Zealand mask, the burdock and crushed rose. So this, first of all, wishing to put it out, it smells actually really bad, and I've used a lot of this. I've used this about 5 times now. I love it. I actually love it. I do actually prefer this over the Meredescu one. Another bold statement there, someone. Stop. I just don't know what it is about it. It's got such natural products. Oh yeah, by the way, all these products are amazing, but I just can't mention them in this video because I haven't used them as regularly as the Meredescu ones, so then obviously that's probably not what's helping my skin. But I do have to, like, I'm going to do a whole video on these because I love their products so much. They kindly sent me them over. But yeah, this has got such natural products. Like, look at the back. Well, I'm going to look at the back. I'm going to look at one thing. Yeah, they've got lavender. Literally everything is natural. Everything's natural. Essential oil blend, Rosa canina, hibiscus, French rose clay, rose, floral water, glycerin, lavandula, salix alba, herbal infusion of matricaria ricida. You know what? Why are ingredients so hard to say? Call them Bob. Call them Pink. Then we'll be able to pronunciate the lyrics. The lyrics are not lyrics, are their ingredients. Stop. But yeah, I don't know what to say. It just makes my skin look so much better, and it actually does make it look a bit gross on your skin. Not gonna lie, but again, we can't be looking like we're going out for a Vogue cover when you got to get them skin glow. Then when you got the skin glow, where am I going with this? I don't know. And then last but not least is the Alya Skin Pink Perfect Australian Pink Clay Mask. It's cruelty free, and I love the packaging. The packaging on its own. Buy it for the packaging. Don't. I love it so much. I've used it about 3 times. It looks like that. Me and my sister actually both used it. My sister loved it. My sister is 11 and we love doing skincare together. Skincare buddies. Oh, stop. But yeah, oh, you can get a competition. We post a photo of you in your face mask. Oh my god, you can get a year's worth of Alya skin. Whoa. Okay, I'm going to be doing that competition. This packaging is just right up my street. And I don't know, it looks a bit goals. But anyway, we're talking about the product, not the packaging. This is the most glowiest face mask I've come across in my life. I actually look like I've been in water, but in a nice way. That makes me sound like I'm drenched. But I don't know. It's just amazing. Right, yeah, anyway, please, let's do a question of the day. My question of the day is, what is your all-time favourite skincare brand? And put the emoji, let's just do the emoji, the green heart, because I don't know, I just feel like, because of that Meredescu thing's green. But yeah, give this a big thumbs up, please, 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 it would mean the world. And if you don't like it, give it a dislike, that's fine, I get it. I don't mind. Hit a subscribe button down below because it would mean the world to me. Have an amazing day. I love it all so much. Bye.